Hinihintay mo ba anihin yung mga tinanim mo? Hinihintay mo ba na ma-harvest yung mga, hinihintay mo bang magkabunga yung mga pinaghirapan mo or yung mga bagay na tinanim mo? Tinitingnan mo ba kung pwede na ba silang anihin? So if this resonated with you, I feel that this is a message that is meant to find you. This is a message for the collective. So we are tapping into the energy of the collective. Okay, so just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is the message here for the collective today? Ano ba tong hinihintay mo? We got the King of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles. So, you want to be successful. You want to master your finances, your health, lahat ng material na bagay or physical wealth, gusto mo siyang ma-master. And ngayon, you are balancing between responsibilities kasi you are in the journey of mastering your wealth. We got the world. Okay. One more. The Eight of Cups. So, ayan. The Eight of Cups and the World. So, the world is about ending a cycle or completing a cycle. And the Eight of Cups is about walking away from something that is not serving you anymore and pursuing something that makes you feel fulfilled. So, I feel that since you are learning how to balance something, how to balance your 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 responsibilities, your finances, siguro this is balancing between your life and your career, and the world and the Eight of Cups is here saying na you are completing a cycle. You are ending a cycle. So, and completing this cycle means walking away from the things na hindi na nagsuserve sa'yo. Siguro these are things na um, makakatulong sa'yo to have balance again, to have mastery again, and to see growth and to see progress sa mga tinanim mo or sa mga pinaghihirapan mo. Okay, we got the Seven of Swords and the Hermit. Okay, so we got the Seven of Swords. I feel that this is saying that you might be feeling a bit betrayed from dishonest action, siguro yung surroundings mo. Kaya ngayon, you are trying to find answers within you. You are in hermit mode. So, ini-evaluate mo kung ano ba yung mga bagay na hindi na nagsiserve sa'yo, hindi na siya, wala na siyang silbi sa life mo or hindi na siya nakakatulong sa life mo, and you are seeking for something better for yourself. I feel na siguro this is related to your work, related to your current career path or current job, and maybe you are not feeling genuine connections with the people around you. And kung gusto mo talagang ma-master itong um, ano mo, yung mga blessings mo, yung mga dumarating sa yung financial and or monetary blessings, um, you need to walk away from something or to end something na yun nga, na yung feeling mo nga, it is coming from a dishonest action or hindi siya genuine action. And ngayon, yun nga, iniisip mo, ini-evaluate mo itong mga bagay na to. And we got the Knight of Wands. So kung ano man yung mga next steps mo in this career, in this job, or yeah, yung trabaho mo or yung career path mo, make sure um move towards the goal, towards your goal to become successful, to have to become financially stable, to have better to be healthy, health wise, ganyan. So, and for you to have happiness din sa ginagawa mo. Kasi si Knight of Wands, very passionate siya. And he is going towards his goal, his calling in life. So kung ano man yung ginagawa niya, it is for his purpose, for his own for his passion. Ayan. So yung totoong happiness yung nadadala nung ginagawa niya. Okay, let's get some numbers, birthdays, special dates, 2 and 14. So, February 14, we got 16 and 16. So, 16, very important number. We got 4 and 9. So, April 9 or September 4, 4 and 14. So, April 14. Ayan. So, if this message resonated with you, ayan, good luck sa career change, sa mga opportunities na darating sa inyo. And ayan, if this message found you today, sana nakatulong siya kahit papaano. And I'll see you on the next reading.